Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome again to another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness, here with our team from Elixir Wellness. We're here Mondays, Wednesdays and Friday, and today we are going to be doing the deck of cards. This week our theme is the deck of cards. If you haven't got a deck, get a deck. This will save you a lot of time and give you really good high intensity workouts. Karibuni sana, and don't forget you can catch us on the socials, Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and Lolwe TV Kenya on YouTube for all our previous and obviously future that you might miss or you want to catch again on YouTube. Yeah, thank you so much for joining us, and karibuni sana. We're just going to start by walking it out, guys. Yes, if you haven't got your water yet for this workout, please get some water. Grab a small towel. If you've got any lower back issues, you will need it. Yes, aya tuende wase, just step. Yeah. Get some movement into those hips. Amaje bro. Oh, for those who don't know him yet, this is Coach Brian, and he'll be joining us. Hapa pale. Sinjo. And for those who don't know, this is Coach Benja. And me, Naita Tieno. Karibuni sana. Hiya guys, we're stepping right into, hiya tuende, let's get that heart rate going now. Yeah? This won't get your heart rate going as such, but it will at least warm your body. Sindio? Yeah? Depending on how vigorous you are with these, yes? So today, for hearts, we've got crunches. For clubs, we've got the bridge, yes? Diamonds, we've got leg raises. And for spades, we've got push-ups. We love those push-ups, don't we, Coach Benja? Aya, let's get down on the mat. If you haven't got a mat at home, grab a towel or something soft. Come on a carpet, that will suffice. Or should I say that is sufficient? We're starting with the 7 of hearts, yes? Which is crunches. Today we're not doing full sit-ups, we're doing crunches. If you want, you can challenge yourself by doing full sit-ups, but all I want today is crunches, yes? Apple times 7, and then we've got 10 plus 7, which is 17. Spades, which is push-ups, please, times 17. Twende, na mtu asicomplain, nisisikia mtu akilia. Keep going, guys. Good stuff. Coach Benja anaiba tu kama kawaida. Twende crunches here, times 10. And then followed by leg raises, diamonds. Twende times 5. 10 crunches. 6, 7, 8. Really get those shoulders off the ground, yes? Then 5 times diamonds, which is leg raises, please. Here, remember, if you've got issues with your lower back, get a towel here or just your hands, and we're pushing up here and not out here, yes? Straight up. Yes? Haya, hapo kwenye spades. Huh? Spades, push-ups, 6. Let's go. 6 push-ups. Good, and then 6 times clubs, which is the bridge. Remember, with the bridge, feet flat on the ground, and all we're doing is raising and squeezing, yes? So you raise up, Squeeze your bottom. Let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. 10 times spades, which is 10 push-ups, please. Let's go. Coach Brian, push-ups zibezidi. Beach muscles, man, beach muscles. Even if we can't go to Mombasa currently, ikifika, toka tumeiva. Diamonds times 2. Let's go for leg raises, 2 leg raises, followed by clubs. 10 bridges, let's go. 2 10 bridges, feet firmly on the ground. Yes, let's go up. 4, we're going for 10, yes? Squeeze that bottom. Oh, that's it. Hearts times 6. 6 crunches followed by clubs times 5. 6 crunches followed by bridge times 5, yeah? Let's go. Let's go, bridge times 5. 4 and 5. Coach Brian nimesikia ukisema 4, maliza tu 5. Usiibe. Right, 9 times spades, 9 is followed by 9 times diamonds, which is leg raises. Let's go. Big chest day, huh? It's a big chest week, mate. But this is not just a chest exercise. It'll challenge your balance as well. If you do full ones and plus your abs, yes? 10 times diamonds, which is leg raises, times 10. Let's go. Push through, guys, and then we can rest. Remember, we're pushing up here and not up here, yes? Here, here, pushing up. Good. Well done, guys. Let's get up. Active rest, yes? Let's go. Hey, kunywa maji nani? Usisleki? Good stuff, guys. We're walking here, having some water. Only 30 seconds, and we're back on the ground. We're on the ground a lot this week, guys, yes? We're getting that core, yeah, working, yes? So we've got spades times 10. We all know what that is. Tusijifanya tujui. 10 times push-ups, please. Let's go. Good. Diamonds, let's go. Leg raises times 8, followed by clubs, bridge times 10. Remember to protect your lower back. Weka mkono chini ya makalio ama put a small towel there, yes? Right, let's go. 8 times bridge. Really lift up. Creating that bridge here, squeezing your bottom. Yeah? Good. Push. That's it. Good. Hot. 3 crunches followed by diamonds, leg raises. 10 plus 6 is 16. Let's go. 3 crunches. 2, 3, 16 leg raises. Let's go. Push. 3, 4. I will go finish. I'm taking one for the team here. Yeah, right. Okay. Clubs, bridge times 10, please. And then followed by 10 plus 5 hearts. 15 crunches, yes? So we've got 10 times bridge, yes? Feet flat on the ground here. And let's go. Really lift up, squeeze that bottom, yes? Good. Keeping your head and shoulders on the ground. Yes? Really up into that bridge. Good. You might be feeling tired now in your front of your leg, yes? Right, let's go. We've got 15 hearts, which is 15 crunches. Let's go, guys. 10 plus 5. Good. Good stuff. Keep going, guys. I know it's starting to burn now. Good stuff. Hi, spades. Spades times 2, which is spades. Spades is 2. 2 push-ups, please. 2 push-ups and then 3 diamonds. Let's go. And then 3 times diamonds, which is 3 leg raises, followed by 7 bridge. 7 times bridge, and then 10 crunches, and then you can rest. So 7 of these. Squeeze that bottom. 10 crunches. Keep going, guys. Keep going. You got this? Twende, I say, twende. Yeah? We can rest now. Stand up. Remember, we keep moving. Active rest. Yes? Hiya. Huh? Just move. As long as you keep moving, keep your heart rate going, keep the body warm. Doesn't matter what you do. You can go side to side. You can dance kidogo. Hiya. When we come back, we've got 10 times bridge. Yes, let's go. Yeah? 10 times bridge followed by 10 times hearts, which is crunches. Let's go. Slowly. That's it. And then 10 crunches. Good stuff. Then 10 diamonds, please. 10 push-ups. I'll finish mine. Let's go. Oh no, sorry. Diamonds is leg raises. Sorry. Coach Benja, umetoka na push-ups. Good. And then we've got clubs, bridge times 2, and then crutches times 10. Let's go. Yeah? No, spades is push-ups. Clubs is bridge. 1, 2, and then 10 crunches. Let's go. Feet on the ground, shoulders off the ground. Feet on the ground, shoulders off the ground. Keep going. Touch those knees. Good. 4 times spades. 9 push-ups. Let's go. 4 push-ups. Then 4 crunches. Let's go. Then 9 clubs. 9 bridge, please. Let's go. Then 9 times crunches. Let's go. That's it, guys. Keep going. Remember, feet firmly on the ground, shoulders on the ground. Touch and squeeze that bottom. Touch the ground and squeeze that bottom. That's it. Good. I know it's starting to burn now, but you've got this. You have got this. 9 crunches, please. 9 crunches, and then 10 diamonds. No, 10 spades, which is 10 push-ups. These guys think I like push-ups. Good stuff. 10 push-ups followed by 4 diamonds, which is 4 leg raises. Let's go. Good. 4 leg raises followed by 8 crunches. Let's go. Higher. 8 crunches. Let's go. Spades. 10 push-ups, please. Let's go. Remember, your body is in line. Whether you're doing a full push-up or a half one like me, on my knees. And let's rest. Up we get. Higher. It's the last bit, everyone. The last bit. We're nearly done. Yes? Mwisho, cheki. Takuna ingine pale. Hey. Haya. 30 seconds. We're going back in with spades. Times 8. We all know that what that means, yes? Let's go. We've got 8 push-ups, guys. Let's go. Well done. Good. 9 times diamonds, which is leg raises, please, times 9. Remember, we're pushing up here and not here, yes? Just as long as you feel these lower abdominal muscles are engaged, yes? 2 times heart, 2 crunches, please. And then 10 times clubs, which is 10 bridges. Let's go. Good stuff. That's it. Really get that bum off the ground. Squeeze your bottom back down on the ground and squeeze. Good work. And then now we've got 10 times diamonds, which is 10 leg raises. Let's go. And then 10 times spades, which is, no, 3 times spades, sorry. 3 times push-ups. 6, 7, how many got 6? Right, guys, I know it's starting to burn now, or maybe it started burning like 10 minutes ago. But you've got this. Huh? It's push-ups, man. Let's go. Now we've got 8. Shall I show everyone? 8 times times clubs. 8 bridge, please. 8 bridges. Good stuff. And then 10 times diamonds, please. Queen of diamonds. Diamonds is leg raises. Let's go. Queen times 10. Well done. Let's go. 3 times clubs. 3 times bridge, please. Followed by 7 times diamonds. 7 leg raises. Let's go. Let's go. 7 leg raises. That's it. 5 times spades. You guessed it. 5 times push-ups. And then we finish with the 4 of clubs, which is 4. That's it. Turn round. Last exercise of the day, guys. Last exercise of the day. Make it good. Feet on the ground. Back on the ground. Raise. Squeeze. Back down. Squeeze. Good. Bridge. Squeeze. Good. And the last one. Well done, guys. Let's get up. And walk it out. Higher. Knees slightly bent, or loose knees as they call it. And come here. Other side. Triceps, let's go. Remember, hand between your shoulder blades, yes? Other hand. And push it out. And switch hands, same move. Hand, small of your back. Pull in the opposite direction. And pull forward. Switch. And pull forward. And reach. Straight legs. Head down so you can see behind you. And back up. Push out. And back down. And back up. And just come down here. Push out. And back here. Up. Straight legs. And push out again here. And back up. And take a deep breath in. And out. Thank you so much again, everyone, for joining us here at Lolwe TV Fitness. And don't forget, you can catch us on the socials, #Lolwe TV Fitness, #Elixir Wellness Kenya, www.elixirwellnesskenya.com, yes? And don't forget to join us here on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday at 5:30 a.m. And asanteni sana. Thank you. Namaste.
Okay.